Compact washers are made for small space living, but the best compact washing machines deliver all the convenience of a standard size unit. Insert Miele, who is renowned for its exceptional quality, offering laundry users the benefits that fit the lifestyle of today's modern homes. Miele has built an award-winning reputation as a powerhouse in home appliances. While they offer a wide range of premium products, their washers and dryers are rigorously tested and stand out as true highlights. Let's start with Miele's tumble dryers, as they carry many luxury features and utilize a very popular heat pump drying technology. And if you don't know what a heat pump dryer is, it's a system that's used to recycle hot air. The hot air is heated, passes through the clothes, moisture is condensed into water, and instead of venting the hot air, it reuses it and reheats it. It's like a mini reverse air conditioner. Heat pump dryers are much more energy efficient and typically use about 50% less energy compared to a condenser dryer. They dry at lower temperatures, which is great because it makes it gentler on fabrics and reduces shrinkage or wear and tear. Plus, a big bonus is that it doesn't require external venting. However, there is one mentionable downside to a heat pump dryer, is that the drying times may be a little longer compared to a non-heat pump dryer. This technology pairs perfectly with Miele's PerfectDry system that smartly adjusts drying cycles based on the mineral content of the water, ensuring consistent, perfectly dried results every time. In short, all Miele dryers are ductless, ventless, and run on a 120 volt outlet, which is great because you can plug it in to just about any outlet in your home. Whether it's in a laundry room, utility room, closet, apartment, or a condo, this provides the ultimate flexibility for anyone. A couple last standout features of the dryers would be the FragranceDos and SteamFinish. The FragranceDos, pictured here, infuses your laundry with your choice of scent via fragrance cartridges. For fresh smelling and on select models, SteamFinish, which will add a fine steam to smooth out wrinkles during the cycle, making ironing optional. Now that we've talked about drying, let's finish up here by talking about Miele's award-winning washing machine lineup. When you see the compact size of a Miele washer, don't let it fool you. There's nothing compact about it, as their W1 washing machines can hold up to 3 baskets of items, which is approximately 17.6 pounds. And if you like fresh smelling clothes, let me introduce you to TwinDos. It's an automatic detergent system with 2 detergent containers integrated into the washing machine directly. The washer dispenses the optimum quantity of detergent for the laundry at the optimal time in the wash cycle. Several detergent options are available, including sensitive and odor protection. Do you need a quick load done? Well, in just 49 minutes with QuickIntenseWash, Miele realized a high-level cleaning performance that may be needed in a short period of time. This is all made possible with their spin and spray technology, which saves time, water, and energy. And one of Miele's best features would have to be their iconic metal honeycomb drum. The honeycomb shape encourages a thin layer of water to form between the drum and the clothes. The layer of water acts like a bit of a cushion, protecting delicate fabrics from friction and reducing wear and tear. Additionally, the honeycomb drum's smaller perforations and smooth edges prevent garments from getting trapped or pulled, resulting in a gentle yet effective cleaning process. This means less snagging and fewer of those annoying spots that appear after clothes have been washed many times. And lastly, if you want to utilize Wi-Fi, both washers and dryers carry this feature on board. Operate your Miele laundry machines from anywhere you can operate your smartphone or tablet. Check your detergent levels, then load your machine and then operate it while on the go, allowing you to come home to warm, fluffy laundry whenever you need. Miele has one of the best washer and dryer combos in the market today, built to withstand 20 years of laundry use, and you'll be glad you made the investment. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell on our YouTube channel for more appliance videos.